Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. And our today's topic is answering question number 1. Dear students, now let's see the board. Topic: answering question number 1, term annual 21, lesson number 28, SW number 26. Okay students, now let's see. Now let's start our today's topic, answering question or question answer. Number 1, what is jazm? And the answer is, jazm is a sign which is used above Arabic letters without harakat. Dear students, I repeat, what is jazm? And the answer is, jazm is a sign which is used above Arabic letters without harakat. Dear students, now SW and SW topic will be same, that means question number 1. Okay students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Stay safe and well. Abide by your parents. See you again inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.